Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you go about activating your debit card once you get it in the mail for your Sofi money account. So what you want to do, head on over to Sofi.com. I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. Once you log into your Sofi account, go over and click on the Money tab. And then once you're over in your Sofi money account, what you want to do is go over and find the More option. It should be next to the area where it says Transfer, Send Money, Pay Bill. And that's where you can find the More option, which we're going to click on next. And then once we're in the More area, we have our account details and a lot of other options here. What we want to do is click on where it says Debit Card. And that's going to take us over to our debit card page. And in this area, you can activate your debit card to use everywhere. So it's going to have the date that you ordered your debit card, when it was shipped, and it's going to give you the estimated time of arrival when you can expect to see it in the mail. And once you get your debit card in the mail, go ahead and click where it says Activate. And then to confirm your identity, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number in this area and then click Next. And then take out your new Sofi debit card and find the area on the back of the card where it has the expiration month and year as well as the CVC code. Enter in that information here and then click Next. And then it's going to ask you to create a 4-digit PIN. You may be asked for a PIN when swiping your debit card or using a digital wallet. So make sure it's something you're going to remember. Enter in your 4-digit PIN right here and then re-enter the same PIN to confirm it and then click Save. And then it takes us to this page where it says your card is now active. And if you want, you can get the Sofi app to add Sofi Money debit card to Apple Pay or Google Pay to pay with your phone. And you can always get the Sofi app on your phone through either the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone or the Apple App Store if you're on an Apple phone. And you can either click this option to get the Sofi app to give you some more information on that, or you can click Skip. And that's going to take us back to our debit card page where we now have activated our debit card. And in the future, this is going to be the area where if you need to, you can freeze your debit card. You can add a digital wallet through the Sofi app. You can personalize your PIN. If you need to change that, you can reset it in this area. Or you can report your card as lost and stolen in this area if you happen to misplace or someone has stolen your debit card. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about activating your debit card for your Sofi money account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.